Hello everyone, let's start unboxing the Bose BE-8 SoundLink. So the Bose BE-8 SoundLink has four main features. One is the stereo wireless Bluetooth 2.1 plus EDR international standard. You can adjust the volume directly through the stereo. 10 meters high fidelity transmission and non-destructive, super portable, shock soundproof, specially designed for smartphones, tablet, PC, etc. NFC function, easily convenient NFC function, make it easy to enjoy life. Third, speakerphone function, supports speakerphone, built-in microphone to bring clear calls for you. It is perfect with single as well as multiplayer for phone calls as well as for video chat. The fourth one is pure music, perfect to enjoy. High fidelity sound, stereo speakers, built-in resonance, radiator device, equipped and high efficiency power, flexible and achieve a more shocking and extremely less weight bass effect. Not less effect, actually overweight. So let's start the unboxing. Here you get a USB port, warranty card, user manual, and the one you want the most, that is here's the thing, the Bose BE-8 SoundLink, the perfect speaker to buy at 18,250. The link is in the description, go and buy below. Now let's test the Bose BE-8. Let's start it.
Bluetooth has been locked. Bluetooth is ready and paired.
Now I am going to pair my phone Lenovo K5 Note with the Bluetooth speaker. On your device it will show BE-8 and you have to press on that and then it will be paired. Get connected, man. It will take some time but not much.
Bluetooth has
Got connected.
Successful.
So as now it's connected, then we can play some music from YouTube. Not some Bollywood songs, but no copyright songs. Or on maximum volume we'll play. You have to go and search for NCS. CS Party Music. Yes, I got one. was the testimonial. So do like, comment, smash the subscribe button and share the video. Hope you like the video. Thank you.